Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome to the Homegirl Chat Line. What's up, homeboys?
What's up,
homegirls? It's your girl Dominique.
It's your girl Sydney.
Bitch taking over.
Like, let me talk. Why won't she ever let me talk? That's because she talk too dang much. Okay. But hey y'all, how y'all doing today, beautiful people?
That's what you got to say.
Okay, because I want to talk.
Talk to the people. You got the rope.
Okay, so today we want to talk about.
First of all, stop turning that gun like that. That's not even cute.
Okay. Okay, so we want to talk about YouTube. You know, starting YouTube. What is it? YouTube for beginners?
Yes. So what we want to talk about in this video is starting a YouTube channel, getting subscribers.
Yes.
Sub for sub.
Don't do it.
Topics. Setting up production. Scripting. No, for real. We need to talk about all that. You know what I'm saying?
Because.
So,
what do you think is the hardest thing for you?
The hardest thing is, I think, is finding a topic to talk about. Like, you know, it's really easy to find a topic, but it's not kind of easy. Like,
yeah. Like, discussing it.
Discussing it is kind of like a little frustrating. But I've learned from other YouTubers that you should script. Because when you script, it breaks down your main points of what you can talk about that topic, instead of being all over the place. You know what I'm saying? I'm just saying. So when you break it down and you can get straight to the point, you know, it makes your viewers want to watch you more. And it makes them want to listen instead of you being here, over here, over there. Just get straight to the point. Talk about what you came there to talk about.
Yep, whatever the topic is, that's what you discuss.
Yes. Another thing I would say is treat YouTube like a real job. Like, get dressed. You got to get cute on that camera. And you gotta feel yourself. Yeah. You gotta let that vibe flow naturally. Also, pay attention to the camera. You can't be looking over here and talking, looking down and talking. Have good energy. You know what I'm saying? Smile, eye contact. You know what I'm saying? Like, interact with your audience. Let them feel you. Let them understand where you're coming from. What you would say? What else? What you would say that is hard about doing YouTube as a new beginner?
I'll start looking away. I would say, like, you pretty much said everything. Like, you didn't even ask me till now, and you narrowed it down.
It's a lot.
It is a lot, but yeah, I would agree with you. Like, the hardest thing is staying on topic because, you know, people normally, they don't even stay on topic in real life. You know what I mean? When you have conversation with somebody, y'all end up having conversations about several different things that whole time y'all been talking. It's like nobody really stays on one topic. So I think scripting it will probably be the best thing to do because at the end of the day, that's going to help you stay on topic, period. So you're not all over the place.
That's what I just said, y'all.
Yeah. And I just told y'all, she already said everything, so I didn't have nothing to say but what she said. I knew I should have spoke first. I knew it.
Also, sub for sub. Sub for sub is not what it is. I'm going to talk about it. You guys, we did sub for sub. Not her. I did sub for sub. You know what I'm saying? I did it on Facebook. I did it on Facebook. On Facebook, they have a lot of groups where you can join YouTube, like promotions. And it's YouTube groups on Facebook where you can promote your YouTube channel. And like, people, they get on there and they'll be like, hey, subscribe to my channel. I'll subscribe to your channel. They lying. They gonna unsubscribe. Soon as you subscribe, let me tell y'all, we lost at least almost 20 subscribers from me doing sub for sub, for real.
Like within an hour.
Within an hour.
They
like
knew each other. It was connected.
It was something weird going on. Like, I don't know how that happened, but it happened. Like, we lost all of those subscribers. Sub for sub is not what's up. Real talk. Like, that sub for sub, grow naturally. Because when you do sub for sub, they're not really looking for your channel or into your channel. They're just trying to get subscribers. And that really, like, kind of bombed us because we were, like, happy that we were getting subscribers. She didn't know about it, really. I had to tell her about it. But we was going up.
Yep.
And then we came all the way back down.
That fast.
That fast.
Confused.
So we were confused. I was like, it was them sub for subbers people on the YouTube group that you know what I'm saying? I'm just saying. I said YouTube.
Don't do it,
on the
y'all.
YouTube group on Facebook.
Yeah, don't do it.
Don't do it. It ain't what it is. Nope. And that's not how you gain your subscriber. Be natural. We ain't got that many subscribers yet. But we're going to speak it into existence. And we are going to get that many subscribers one day.
Yes, we are.
We are growing and we are flowing. Okay? And so, like, that right there, that whole sub for sub thing is kind of, it's people that's not going to stay permanently subscribed to you.
Yeah.
And so, you know what I'm saying? And they don't watch your videos. And so YouTube catches on to that. So they'll be like, hey, can you watch our video for a minute or two and then subscribe, like, and comment or whatever. But next thing you know, they done unsubscribe from your channel and you're still subscribed to their channel. While they done went and unsubscribed from your channel. They done got your vote and dipped out.
Yeah.
So that's how that is. You know what I'm saying? Sub for sub is not cool.
And let me talk because...
What you gotta say?
You did a lot of talking.
It's the alcohol. It's flowing.
Let me talk. So again... So again, ignore this.
Man, tell the people what you gotta say.
Okay.
Tell the people what you gotta say.
Don't do that.
I'm gonna tell y'all once.
I'm gonna tell y'all, don't do that sub for sub, okay? And at the end of the day,
you ain't got nothing to say.
Cause I'm sick of this. She don't never give me the mic, y'all. She all close to the camera talking. I'm in the back. I only say okay so many times. I'm gonna give me the mic.
Okay.
Let me talk.
Okay,
I
sorry.
want to talk to the people too.
Talk to people.
Okay, so let me tell y'all something.
Growing on YouTube.
Huh?
Growing.
Okay, growing on YouTube. It takes time.
Oh shoot! Oh my God! Hold on.
We back. Okay. It takes time. Take your time. When you see that you only got 1 subscriber, 2 subscribers, don't worry. Still post your videos. I be saying we need to post something at least every week, even if it's like a short video. You know what I mean? Because at the end of the day, we still gotta, it's like a job.
It is.
You gotta clock in. And you gotta keep posting and keep posting and keep posting. Do what you can do.
Do it.
Do it.
Do everything you can do.
I know I'm a little off.
Oh, all the way.
We've been drinking a bit wine. Look at 1800.
A little bit of this, a little bit of that.
So I'm kind of off, but let me tell you something.
Get back on topic.
Okay. There we go. Got a script. There you go. Perfect example why you should write your stuff out. Write it out because you're going to get off topic. But yeah, to grow on YouTube, take your time. It's not going to grow in one day. You're not going to see millions of subscribers in one day. If you do, you're amazing. God bless you.
You gotta do something like viral.
You gotta do something viral to get people to, you know what I mean? And just don't let that discourage you. Keep going. Don't stop. You know what I mean? If you ain't getting too many views, So what? At the end of the day, post for you.
Do it for yourself.
Do it for yourself. You know what I
Do
mean?
it because you like it and love it.
And you like it and you love it.
And you want to do it.
And people going to see that. People going to be like, you know what? That person got a lot of courage. That person, I like that person. You know what I mean? That person doing it, and regardless of how many views they may get, they being themselves, they being real. Mm-hmm. I like that. You never know what type of people you're going to attract when trying to do YouTube. Yeah. You feel me?
Different audiences.
A different audience. You know what I mean?
You got to find your crowd.
Yes.
I'm backing you up. Oh, I'm not backing you up. You don't like that?
I like it. But yes. Different audience and different crowds. You feel me? And you know, do it. Do it.
Oh, well, let me know when I can talk.
Okay,
baby.
you know, do your research as well when starting a YouTube channel. You know what I mean? Know that, you know, kind of try to get a feel of it. Practice a little bit. Get confident and just record. I always tell her, man, we need the camera rolling all the time because we be having some epic moments. Epic. You know, just out of nowhere. Go for it.
Let me know when I can talk.
You can go.
Cause y'all, I gotta ask her to talk. It's crazy. It's crazy. I gotta ask her to talk on camera on our show.
Because she don't let me talk. Damn.
Like, it's crazy, y'all. But yes, like she said, do your research. Research, you know, how to start a YouTube channel. You know, that's what we did. We did our research. You know, what topics are popping. You know, trending topics. You know what I'm saying? You can do YouTube on that. You know, excuse me, reaction videos. Yeah. We got to do one of those. But honestly, we are really learning, and it's really hard. It is hard.
Oh my gosh. Don't cry.
Oh, I can't help it.
You got
back to life. But for real, it is kind of hard. You know, we are full-time moms. And, you know, with all this COVID-19 stuff going on, you got the kids at school, and we got to just pick the perfect time to record. And honestly, pick that perfect time to record. Pick a good date to drop a video. Try to do good quality videos. You know, it doesn't take much. We're doing it on her iPhone. We do it on my iPhone. I don't have a updated iPhone like that. You know, I got a iPhone 7. I'm gonna just keep it real. But the camera is good when you know how to adjust the settings and the lighting. And you can also look up YouTube videos on that as well. Yeah. So be confident on the camera, you know, get pretty, get fine, get cute, get confident, practice. Yes. Talk to yourself in a mirror, talk to yourself on the camera, record yourself, you know what I'm saying? And then just keep practicing. And honestly, then from there, you'll just start flowing and growing and glowing.
And that's it.
And, you know, we just trying to really just help y'all out to give y'all some tips on beginner, you know,
YouTube, because we're beginners.
Because we're still beginners. And if you see, we only have 30-something subscribers. You know what I'm saying? But we're learning every day. We're trying to fit the time in to get in and record and schedule and have meetings. Like, this is real. This is like really a business. And you got to treat it like your real job. You really do. You know, feel it. You know, grow into it. Get into it. Be you. Yes. And the stuff that you think people do not like,
you'll be surprised.
They love it.
Okay, you'll be surprised.
They love it.
And be yourself. Don't try to get on camera acting like you got to act a certain way because people may forget all that. Be yourself. You know what I mean? If you crazy, you crazy. If you funny, you funny.
You like doing weird stuff, do it.
Do it. Because let me tell you, I like to watch ASMR.
And I like to eat chalk.
Confessions.
Yeah, confessions.
I like to watch people eat. It helps me go to sleep. I'm be honest.
Yeah, it does. I like to watch people eat too. Chalk though, like look that up. Chalk.
I gotta watch that one
because the sound it be like crunchy, and I love chalk. If y'all don't know what that is, look it up. Chalk. People eat chalk around the world, and it's good. Let me tell you.
I gotta watch it.
But yeah. You got anything else to tell them about YouTube tips?
Select your partner wisely. No, I'm playing.
I'm
late.
Yeah, it's okay. We'll be fighting after this
Yeah.
video. Have a nice day.
Bye. Me.
That is so funny.
Girl.
Don't do that. Cause
Okay,
you ain't
I'm
gonna find nobody else
No,
like me, baby.
we
Ain't,
click.
ain't nobody gonna communicate with you like me. You gonna be like, come on, that means if you find a new partner, you gotta find somebody new to come to your house. You gotta find somebody new. Like, she really want to get rid of me? I've been friends with this girl for half a decade. She want to get rid of me? Are you serious?
Oh. Girl. And you know, we should do a skit, because that is good.
I know.
Like, somebody sign her.
Let's
She
do
needs
one.
to be in movies.
I cannot. She is so funny. Y'all, we is crazy for real. We be talking shit. We about to fight every day.
Every day, and don't give a damn.
But that's us. And can nobody do that? Nobody can come in and do that.
Nope.
Nobody.
Mm-mm.
Experience.
At all.
Experience.
Mm.
But that's all I can think of right now. Maybe if we think of some more, we'll come and record, you know. But YouTube tips.
YouTube tips.
Take notes. Write it down. Journal it.
Mm-hmm.
All of that. Study it so you can be great at what you do.
Mm-hmm.
And again, do it for you.
Yeah.
Love to do it. Like to do it. Oh, hold on. Wait.
What?
I forgot to put, get a ring light.
Yes, it makes a lot of a difference if you are using your phone.
Make sure you have good lighting.
Mm-hmm. Lighting. And let me tell you, ring light is everything.
Yeah,
okay?
it is. It's like, it makes everything more brighter and nicer and all that good stuff. But
if you're using a phone, you know what I mean? It makes a huge difference. Makes the quality a lot better.
It does.
It do.
But we just want to, you know, tell y'all how it's going for us, what we've been going through, how the process been going. And we're really looking forward to getting monetized. So, well, you know, when we look back at this video, I'm like, look at us monetized and stuff. Okay. But yeah, that's all I got to say. Until next time, y'all.
Yep. Deuces.
Deuces. Hit the like button. Hit the comment button. Hit the subscribe button. Yeah.
I was going to say share.
Share too. Share it on Facebook. Share it on Instagram. However you want to do it.
Whatever you want to do it.
Twitter, all that. But yeah. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Please and thank you. We really would appreciate it. And comment. Talk to me. Talk to me. Talk to her. Talk to us. Comment, you know, so we can interact with you guys. Let us know if you have any questions. All of that. You know, we've really been studying up on YouTube. So we're really trying to figure this thing out as well. So let's all help each other grow.
Oh, you talking to me?
No.
You want to know?
I'm not talking to you.
Oh.
Yeah. What I want to know. What I want to know.
Somebody on here asked me how my lips get this shiny. Just a little bit of Vaseline. By Vaseline.
Girl, somebody asked you that.
Maybe it's Maybelline. You know?
Girl, I need some.
Okay. But all right, y'all. Just playing.
That's our sip and talk about YouTube, you know. So, thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Have a good night.
Good night, y'all.
Other than that, we're out.
Bye.